Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a simple but powerful trading setup, a 1-minute strategy using the fractal indicator, together with the Supertrend. So first, what exactly is a fractal indicator? It's actually a lagging indicator, because a fractal only gets confirmed after 2 more candles form on the right side. That's why it appears a bit late. It doesn't predict reversals, it confirms where they've already happened. But that's the beauty of it. Now let's talk about the Supertrend. The Supertrend is one of the easiest ways to read market direction. It instantly shows whether the trend is bullish or bearish, so we know if we should be looking for buys or sells. All right, let's move straight into the strategy. On your chart, add both indicators, Fractal and Supertrend. You'll see small arrows for fractals and a colored line from Supertrend. Here's how it works. If the Supertrend shows a downtrend and a down fractal forms, after 2 green candles, the 3rd candle will usually be red. And for the opposite, in an uptrend, when you see a green fractal, after 2 red candles, the 3rd candle is often green. Now let's see this in action. Here, the market is in a downtrend. We can see a down fractal has just formed, and there's a green candle right next to it. If the current candle also turns green, we can place a sell trade on the next candle. If that trade doesn't go our way, no worries. You can use a martingale entry on the same signal for recovery. Now let's look at an uptrend example. A green fractal has formed, followed by 2 red candles. So this is the perfect time to place a buy trade on the next candle. And as you can see, this setup works beautifully most of the time. So that's the Fractal plus Supertrend strategy for 1-minute fixed time trading. It's simple, effective, and great for short-term entries, as long as you stay patient and follow the rules. If you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow traders. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!